Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 XLT in agate black. It has black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. A 5-liter V8 engine, and it's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates as well. It has navigation, and it also has the XLT Sport package, which includes the sport cloth and the center console. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, power pedals, lighting controls. With the aid of the running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is the dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see the important messages, the odometer reading, and there's also a menu that'll appear that we can toggle through. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a little cubby to put items, your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. We can go into our audio and into our sources and choose our media, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and a map will come up for you. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And let's go into settings. We can slide through for different options. And my finger here, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. Your volume and tuner, and down below is your fan controls, heated seats for driver and passenger, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. In the cubby, a couple of USB outlets. You can just press in the center, it'll close right up. You have an automatic select shifter, and you're also seeing drive mode. And when you press that, it'll appear on your dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders there, and you can open up your armrest, little tray there, take that out. There's lots of room, and a 12 volt down there. Close it all up. Off to the side is your 12 volt and 110. You also have a locking glove compartment, auto dimming, rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder. There's a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that button's for. And there's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, and body color door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera's just below the handle. You have also a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up the tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. Inside, it's a nice lined box, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link, and you also have a tailgate step. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. And speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You easily pull the tab at the base and then lift the seat up. You have more floor room. To bring it back down, pull the tab again. And there's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And you're seeing that nice tire tread design. That's a sport cloth. There's carpeted mats on the floor, and it also comes with all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, and air vents on each side. There's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, auto high beams, halogen fog lights, and tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.